First, they had leaks, then some found out they had mold. Now, many of the homeowners in the Willowbrook neighborhood near Lakewood Ranch are learning their hands may be tied legally. A clause in their contract with the builder, KB Home, restricts their legal options. And as 8 on Your Side, Shannon Binkin shows us, if you bought a new home in recent years, you may have the same clause.
I've lost everything, even sold my car, lost everything.
When Roxanne Miller's new condo sprung a leak, she called her builder, KB Home. After what she calls Band-Aid patchwork, she threatened to sue, but found out she can't.
It breaks my heart. I cry a lot. I paid cash for this house. This is my dream home. And they've destroyed me financially, physically, and emotionally.
About 60 homeowners in the Willowbrook neighborhood complain of leaks, mold, and collapsing balconies. Manatee County building inspectors say 21 of the homes are unsafe. The residents say the problems go much further than balconies, but their sales contract restricts their legal recourse.
We can't litigate because we're under arbitration under our contracts, where our hands are tied.
So far, Miller is the only one to go forward with arbitration. Others say her story convinced them it's a waste of time. Miller, who ended up tearing out drywall to prove mold and construction errors, actually won her case. But the damages awarded don't cover the repairs. And that's after spending her life savings on her legal fight. The homeowners who signed this contract say they had no idea about the clause, but it turns out a lot of builders include similar contracts. They just don't tell their customers. Consumer attorney Eric Seidel says that's usually not good news for the buyer.
An arbitration clause always puts the consumer at a disadvantage because, number one, you're taking away, or at least giving away, your right to your day in court before either a jury of your peers or a judge, and instead replacing that with somebody that the company thinks would be good to decide the case.
Seidel recommends home buyers try to negotiate with builders to drop the clause. Otherwise, when the unthinkable happens, you may be stuck. Shannon Binkin, 8 on Your Side.
Typically, the only way around the arbitration requirement is a class action lawsuit. Attorneys say home buyers would have to bind together and ask a judge to allow such a case.